Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Renault remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is remove this part here of the fob, the emergency blade, so we can gain access to the housing that holds the key fob battery. This little housing here is held in with two pins at the top and bottom. You just need to be very, very careful to remove the pin at the top here, which locks it in place, so we can prise out the housing that holds the key fob battery. When you're removing it, notice that you can't see the writing on the key fob battery and you can only see the negative, so you know it's in its correct location, and that's the way it needs to go back in. So you remove the battery from its housing like so. We get our new key fob battery, which has a part number on it of CR2016, like this one. We simply pop it back into the housing, like I said before, making sure that you can't see the writing and you can only see the negative and it's in its correct location. And we just need to pop it back in place. Click in, see these two locating pins here to lock the housing in place. And there you go. And you hear it and you see it, you click it in place to lock it here and here. Now it's just time to pop the blade back in, like so, and it's all done.